When it comes to dumplings, there are two kinds of people in this world. The people that just grab the bottle of soy sauce or vinegar, and the people that take a little bit of extra time to make a delicious dumpling sauce that really elevates the entire experience. Do you see how this sauce, like the consistency is just like, I don't know, it's something about the water and the sugar that just makes it into this like, just the perfect dumpling sauce consistency. Hi everyone. Okay, so we've all been in this situation before. You want something quick and easy to eat. You pull out some frozen dumplings, you pan fry them, maybe you steam them or boil them, and you sit down and you're like, I'm about to enjoy this delicious plate of dumplings, and you realize like, I need sauce to go with these dumplings. Do you reach for the regular black vinegar? Do you reach for maybe some Shanghai rice vinegar? Or maybe you're just like a soy sauce and chili oil person, or are you the person that enjoys the finer things in life? Are you willing to just pull out a few more ingredients and make a dumpling sauce? So I used to be the first kind of person who used to just grab the bottle of soy sauce or vinegar, but I have since become a dumpling sauce person. So now as the dumplings are cooking, I make this very quick dumpling sauce, and it really doesn't take much more effort than, pulling out one bottle of soy sauce or vinegar. But the experience that you get while you're eating those dumplings, even if they're store-bought frozen dumplings, is so much better. Since we posted this recipe on the blog, we've converted thousands of that first kind of person, that used to also include me, into the second kind of person, the dumpling sauce person. So you really only need 7 ingredients for this recipe. You need a little bit of fresh garlic, and then everything else is from your pantry. So you need some sesame oil, soy sauce, rice vinegar, chili oil, sesame seeds, and a little bit of sugar. The prep and process is basically just mixing everything together. Okay, so I'll start by chopping the garlic. This is the one step in this recipe that isn't just opening a bottle and pouring it into the bowl. So I will just finely chop it. If you hate chopping garlic, you could also use a garlic press. For those of you out there wondering if you can use jarred, pre-chopped garlic, I would really suggest getting fresh garlic for this. It makes a huge difference. The garlic is a real game changer. Some of you may not be that into raw garlic, but I really think that it is a key ingredient in this recipe. You could reduce the amount by about half, but I really wouldn't leave it out. It really brightens the taste of the dumpling and really complements it really well. So I'm on team raw garlic. So I have some water in there. It is going to dilute the sauce and give it the perfect salt level. So next I'm gonna add a teaspoon of sugar. This water is hot. Well, it's not really hot anymore, but it's ideal if it's hot. It's gonna dissolve the sugar faster. Now I'm gonna add a teaspoon of rice vinegar, which is just gonna sort of contrast with that sweetness that I just added. Next, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Next, I'm gonna add the chili oil. I'm just gonna use a clean spoon for my chili oil. So I need a teaspoon of chili oil. Again, if you're not into spice, you can omit it. And then last 2 ingredients are the sesame seeds and sesame oil. So I need 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. These aren't as essential if you don't have them, so you can omit them. And then half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Oops, oh, that's too much. Oopsie, I will pour off half of that. And that's it. An easy, delicious dumpling sauce that has the perfect balance of salt, sweet, and tang, and that little bit of zip from the garlic. It's gonna turn any frozen store-bought dumpling or any dumpling that's been in your freezer a little bit too long into a really tasty meal. Okay, so we have our dumplings here. Some of them are homemade and we have some that are store-bought. Let's try it. Do you see how this sauce, like the consistency is just like, I don't know, it's something about the water and the sugar that just makes it into this like, just the perfect dumpling sauce consistency. And the flavor is just so good. Okay, so that is delicious. For me, that is the perfect dumpling sauce. However, a note on customization. You absolutely have carte blanche to customize your dumpling sauce however you like it. So if you like it with a little bit more tang, feel free to add more vinegar. If you like it sweeter, add more sugar. If you don't like chili oil at all, omit it. If you like it a little bit less, back off. If you like it more spicy or spicier, you can add more. Likewise with the vinegar, if you're like a fan of like Chinese black vinegar or Shanghai rice vinegar, you can use that instead of this plain rice vinegar. I think it has a cleaner flavor, but if you want to use any of those other vinegars, you can. So make this recipe your own. Enjoy your dumplings, everyone. And I hope that after watching this video and seeing how easy it is, you are now a dumpling sauce person.
Okay, action on dumpling sauce.
Hi, everyone. We've all been in this situation. Oh.
Sorry, not my fault. Not me.
You wanna customize your dumpling sauce? You can.